Hello, today we will guide you through how to set alerts on ThinkorSwim Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a basic price alert so you can be notified when a symbol reaches a level you care about. Alerts are a great way to stay on top of the market without staring at your screen all day, and they work best when your device's notifications are enabled for the app. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim Mobile app. Give it a moment to load your account and market data. If you're prompted for any updates or permissions, it's a good idea to allow notifications so your alerts can actually reach you when they trigger. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right and tap the search icon. It typically looks like a magnifying glass. This takes you to the symbol search where you can look up stocks, ETFs, and other tradable instruments supported by the app. If you don't see the search icon right away, make sure you're on a primary tab like Watch List or Quotes, so the search control is visible. In the search field, enter the symbol you want to track. You can type the full company name or the ticker. Either works. Select the correct result to open its details page. You should now see the quote information, including price, percentage change, and other key data. Take a quick moment to confirm you've chosen the right symbol, especially if there are multiple listings with similar names. Next, scroll down to view the chart for that symbol. The chart helps you visualize where price is trading and can guide you on what level might matter to you. You can pinch to zoom, switch timeframes, and drag across the chart to see historical price action. This quick scan gives context to the alert you're about to create. When you're ready, tap the alert or bell icon in the top right. This opens the alert setup panel for the symbol you're viewing. If the icon is grayed out, make sure market data has fully loaded and that you have a stable connection. Now tap Create Alert. Depending on your app version, you may see options to fine-tune the condition, such as crossing above or below a certain price, and how you prefer to be notified. Review what's shown, then confirm by selecting Create Alert. That's it. Your alert is active. When the symbol meets the condition, you'll receive a notification on your device and inside the app. If you ever need to adjust or remove it later, you can return to the same symbol page and access the alert controls from the bell icon.